For the square knot, the first cord on the outside is taken and placed over the middle two. Then the last cord is placed over it, and it is brought up around the back and pulled through the loop. And then you pull on either end to tighten. We started with the left cord last time, so this time we're going to start with the right. Place it over the middle two, and on the last one, place it over it. Loop it around the back and pull through. Pull on both ends to tighten. Make sure your middle strands aren't twisted. Make sure you alternate sides each time you make the knot. This time, we're back on the left-hand side. Place it over the middle two strands and place the last strand over it. Loop around the back and pull to tighten. Repeat this motion alternating from left to right sides until your square knot is the desired length. The spiral knot is made like the square knot, except instead of alternating sides, you stay on one side. Take the end, loop it over the middle two, put the last one over it, and pull through. Now we're going to stay on the same side. Put the last strand over the middle two, take the end, loop it through, and pull. Pull to tighten. This motion will recreate a spiral effect. Stretch the left cord diagonally over the others. Loop the next cord in line in a U shape, laying the end over the diagonal cord. Loop the end over the diagonal cord and run this through the center of the U shape and pull it tightly. Repeat this with the same cord before moving on to the next one in line. Make a U shape, take the end of the cord and run it through the loop and pull to tighten. Repeat this across all the other cords.